Myself Moyur, and today's our topic of discussion is inheritance in Java. So, inheritance is an important pillar of OOPS, object-oriented program. It is a mechanism in Java by which one class is allowed to inherit the features of another class. In Java, inheritance means creating a new classes based on existing ones. A class that inherits from another class can reuse the methods and fields of that class. In addition, you can add new fields and methods to your current class as well. Inheritance in Java, why did we need? So, the code reusability. The code written in the superclass is common to all the subclasses. Child classes can directly use the parent class mode. Next is method. So the overriding. Method overriding is achievable only through inheritance. It is one of the ways by which Java achieves to run time polymorphism. Next, abstraction. The concept of abstract, where we do not have to provide all details, is achieved through inheritance. Abstraction only shows the functionality to the user. Important technologies used in the inheritance. So, class. First is class. Class is a set of objects which shares common characteristics, behavior, and common properties, attributes. Class is not a real world entity. It is just a template or blueprint or a prototype from which objects were created. Next is superclass or parent class. The class whose features are inherited is also known as superclass or parent class. Next is subclass. It means child class. So, the child class that inherits the other class known as superclass extends. The superclass can add its own field and methods in the addition to the superclass fields and methods. Next, reusability. Inheritance supports the concept of reusability. That is when we can create a class and there is already a class that includes some of the code that we can derive our new one. Next is how to use inheritance in Java. The extends keyword is used for inheritance in Java. Using the extends keyword indicates you to derive from existing class. In other words, extends refers to the increased functionality. Next one is types of inheritance in Java. So, below are the different types of the inheritance which are supported by the Java. First is single inheritance. In single inheritance, subclasses inherit the features of one superclass in the image below. Next is multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, a derived class will be inheriting a base class, and as well as the derived class also act as the base class for other classes. In the below image, class serve as a base class for the derived class B, which in the turn serves as a base class for the derived class C. In Java, a class cannot directly access the grandparents member. Thank you very much.